Welcome to this review video on Web Agency Pro, and today I'll be showing you all about the ClickFunnels that you need to get started to making some serious money. And as I always say, if this is for you, go ahead and click the link below. It is important you click the link to unlock the bonuses that I have included just for you. And as you can see, I'm on the home page right here. The first thing you're greeted with is a demo video, and if you click on it, it shows you, all the stuff that you need. Or let me mute this. Yeah, it shows you all the stuff that you need when you just get started. Now, if you wonder what are funnels and why are funnels so important, think about it this way. You want your buyers to land somewhere, and your ultimate aim is to capture their information, so if they buy the product from you, then they are likely to buy something else in the future. So capturing their email address is very important. Now I have to show you a few stuff that you'll get. Like, for example, there are tutorial videos. No, this is just wicked. Like, listen to this sound effect. Listen to this sound effect. Yo! This is dope. That is dope. The next thing you'll get, and this is just a limited access, guys. Like, when you buy the thing, you get the full pro version. There are marketing tools to help you. There's done for you graphics, legal contracts, persuasive email marketing series, web ad and banners. Now, look at this. This is a great background and everything. You click on that, boom. There are a whole bunch of banners to download. You just put in your picture and your text, and you're ready to go. Bam. There is the media option where you could add your own videos or audio, which is dope. And also, this is pretty cool, having the user access feature. So let's say you have multiple businesses or different products, you could add a product as a user, and then you'll have like that customized profile set up for that campaign that you're running. So if you ask me, guys, Web Agency Pro is a go if you are really interested in building a funnel. A funnel is very important to push in sales, and this is much cheaper than ClickFunnels, which is super great. ClickFunnels is like one of the giants in funnel building, but Web Agency Pro, it gives you pretty much all the same feature for less. So if you don't have the money to go to ClickFunnels, then I'd say go with Web Agency Pro for sure. Enough of me, right? Well, let's watch the demo video to get a better understanding of what the product is and what it does.
You're one click away from 100% done-for-you sales funnels. Yes, the exact sales funnels that get us both free viral traffic and sales in as little as 30 seconds. If that sounds exciting, then listen up, and here's why. After generating over $3 million online with sales funnels, we know the one thing that's crucial to success, and that's having a sales funnel. So, for that reason, my team and I have built an incredible, first-of-its-kind, easy-to-use software that lets newbies leverage the power of funnels with zero tech skills. Introducing the world's first viral funnel builder called Web Agency Pro. Web Agency Pro lets us push a button to deploy a fully functional sales-generating funnel complete with traffic in as little as 30 seconds. It's the ultimate solution that gets us autopilot, free, viral traffic and sales. You can think of it as a set and forget business in a box. Here's how it works. Step 1, purchase. Grab your copy of Web Agency Pro before the price increases. Step 2, select. Log into the web-based app, select a done-for-you funnel. Step 3, enjoy. We click go to get free viral traffic leads and sales in 30 seconds or less. So, you're probably thinking that this unique viral funnel builder is very expensive, and you'd be right to think that, considering that other world-class funnel builders like ClickFunnels or Lead Pages usually start off at around $97 a month. So it would be fair to charge you $97 a month for Web Agency Pro. But today, you won't be paying $97 a month. You won't even be paying $47 a month. No, not even $27 a month. Today, we want to level the playing field for newbies to also get free traffic and potential sales so that they can change their lives. So, when you act during the limited launch period, you won't be paying monthly at all. In fact, We're going to give you an incredible bargain. When you act right now, you can get in for an unheard of one-time price without any monthly fees, but you must act fast. But wait, it gets even better. When you act now, you'll also get 5 custom money-making bonuses worth thousands absolutely free. You can see the details below. Each one of these premium bonuses could easily be sold for 10 times the price of what we're asking you for here today. And to make this a total no-brainer for you, we're removing all the risk with our unheard of 180-day money-back guarantee, which simply means if for any reason or no reason at all you want your money back, simply let us know and we'll return 100% of your money back, no questions asked. But that's not all. To totally blow your mind and eliminate any worry of risk or embarrassment, when you act now, you also get our Get Results or Get Paid $500 money back guarantee. Here's how it works. If for some strange reason you don't get results with Web Agency Pro, simply let us know what you tried, and not only will we send you your money back, but we'll also send you another $500 for wasting your time. So, the only way you lose is if you don't take action on this incredible bargain right now. You either get results or you walk off with $500. You win both ways. But hurry, act fast, because the price goes up every 60 minutes. If you wait, you really will pay more. So if you want 100% done-for-you sales-getting funnels at the push of a button, complete with free viral traffic in as little as 30 seconds, then click the Buy Now button below right now to lock in your discount and get instant access to Web Agency Pro at an unheard of one-time price. Oh, and I almost forgot. When you order today, you'll also get invited to our never-seen-before live training, detailing how we made more than $33,000 in just 24 hours in January 2022. So hurry, grab Web Agency Pro now before the price increases, and we'll see you on the inside.
That you'll get, there are a number of 5, so let's be quick. The first bonus that you'll get is the Hack Lockdown Access Formula. Now, if you're wondering what this is, then there's only one way to find out. You gotta get the bonus. Also, you'll get the headline hack, which is super dope because you know important headlines are. It's that thing that's gonna grab the buyer's attention. It's that thing that's gonna capture curious users and get them over to your sales page. Increases the likelihood of getting a sale to up to 55%. The next bonus that you'll get is the access to Jonah's mobile course, which you know so many users are using their telephone these days, and it will definitely help you to know how to market those users as opposed to the laptop users, as opposed to those desktop users. The next bonus that you're gonna get is the access to Nova and all the upsells. So if you take action today, you're getting all these 5 bonuses. So if I were you, I wouldn't wait. If this funnel seems like it will work for you. And here are some key benefits that you will also be getting. No monthly fees. You get to be your own boss and attain freedom, and finally enjoy the laptop lifestyle. And also, next thing I want to point out is it's done for you. I can't stress enough, done for you is very important because a lot of people are not tech savvy. But when you have the done for you programs, simply click off a few buttons and you're all set. So hop over and grab it today, guys. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe.